already sanctioned almost 20 years back. We can apply, students can apply and get the projects. So such kind of atmosphere, ecosystem will be built by our coordinator soon after. I think next year we will assess how many projects submitted by students. We will also review it. And I think our resource persons who have participated in this 1 week in this session will be fruitful, and they have given you lot of inputs for your future, for your research. I think our keynote person, research person, will explain more better than me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Our chairman, sir, is having a long vision for our college and for our future. For that, we are very thankful to you, sir. Now I request Director, sir, to speak a few words.
Respected Chairman, sir, Father Shankara Group of Institution, Dr. Manki Penjarai, sir, Madam Prasanna, Madam, today's resource person of Atal Faculty Development Program, Dr. Nagandre, sir, from Mizoram Central University, other dignitaries on the dais, participants from the other colleges, faculty members, students, very good afternoon. Really, it is a wonderful program to deliver the latest cutting-edge technology, especially in the electronics communication department. It definitely give strength for the further development of the growth in, especially in the research area of electronics communication engineering students, followed by the faculty and the who are very passionate towards the research activities of emerging technologies. Such type of faculty development programs will give value-added knowledge that definitely get benefited. As mentioned by the chairman, sir, you should think about, don't be as a regular student. Adi Shankara is always having unique opportunity. None of other colleges having such a unique opportunities because of the wide relationship with another with other words with respect of all different set of domains, sorry, having knowledge, having good connectivity with the people. So in this connection, sorry, we would like to start with Center of Excellence of Cybersecurity. Irrespective of the branch, student can enroll for the cybersecurity. You know how cybersecurity is going to be play a big role with respect of the daily necessity. Wherever you go, there is an n number of cyber crimes are there. So who is then that going to be encounter that problem is ultimately the engineering students. So irrespective of the discipline with respect of ECE, EEE, mechanical, we are going to start with the Cybersecurity Center of Excellence under the premises of Atal Community Innovation Center. For that ones are called very rich experienced people where they are running their centers in different parts of the country like Mumbai, other places also, from IITs also, there are some experts are there. With the intimacy, with the relation of chairman sir, they all the way come to the college. So we are shortly going to establish Center of Excellency. There is an n number of engineering colleges in the state of Andhra Pradesh, followed by the district of either Tirupati and Nellore, but Adi Shankara ultimately it is some unique opportunities. Wherever sir, what sir is mentioned about the student is supposed to come forward for the applying of the projects. Unless otherwise, if the college is not having 20 accreditation, you are not able to apply. So you all people participate for the MSME also. Some students have submitted application for the women fertility. That results we are going to be awaiting for that. Previously, some good number of students have submitted for MSME. Out of that, we got one MSME project. Now there is a 20 ideas submitted to the MSME women's. So we are waiting for the results. Even smart hackathon also they are actually participated. Participation is more important. Unless otherwise we don't have the provision, it's very difficult to submit on the project. Adi Shankara having 2F. 2F and 12B. With that credentials only you are eligible to submit the project. Adi Shankara having MSME Host Research Center. Adi Shankara having Atal Community Innovation Center. Adi Shankara having going to establish Center of Excellence for Cybersecurity. So maybe the growth massive resistance are there, but Adi Shankara is always welcoming our big challenges. And also we are going to be learning you people with a safe mode. You should be there, you should be the focus, you should be the passionate. That's more important. For with the family of Adi Shankara, one Dr. Bhargavi madam, she is an young, she is a proactive. Okay, she is a doctor from computer science engineering. She would like to take a challenge with respect of previously she was working as a head of the department for computer science. Now she would like to take the task to empower the students for their better lives. Better lives is nothing but she is more passionate to place the students for the industry requirement. So she is also going to be joined within 10 to 15 days. It is also new energy to the Adi Shankara family madam. Yeah, yes. Permanently she is supposed to be shifted where sir is mentioned that sir is then previously now he is working as an MPDO, but he is not saturated of his aim. Okay, being an MPDO he takes some leave or resignation whatever it is. I am not aware it's only that, but he is an aspirant of civil service. So with that aim and motive, so with the broad relation of chairman sir, we are bringing up top level of the people. The ultimate aim of the student is to grab the opportunity and utilize the opportunity and see that end outcome. So you take other colleges like anywhere of Nellore also, even NPK or Geetanjali, SV College, Narayana, they don't have some n number of opportunities. So the provision is there, but you have to utilize properly is more important. Success rate is always by the individual efforts, not of institutional philosophy or institutional vision. The institutional philosophy, the institutional vision should be co-principle of individual efforts is more important. Undoubtedly, we have very strong team to engage our students with different domains. The thing is, you have to also to put your efforts to get success of all domains of as an industry needs as well as global needs. Wish you all the best for learning new technologies with the presence of the great personalities. Even we are Atal community, Atal FDP sanctioned of a number of colleges, but no college invited of the great personality. We just mentioned that the names of resource person is from IITs, NITs, and IIIT. We call for the different personality. The thing is, how much knowledge you are grasping from that personality is more important. Thank you, sir. All the way putting your efforts from Mizora and taking your time to guide our students. Don't be limit for activity of only with an FDP. In future, collaboration also required from you people. I am requesting the person of Janardhan Sai and Chandri Krishna sir, please coordinate the thought and utilize the content and knowledge what are having to improve the scenario of our system. You just go any university, there are good number of people from Andhra. And 3 years back, I visited from Nanyang Technological University, sir, from Singapore. There is a 30% of faculty from AP and Telangana. Wherever go, our people are there. Previously, Sir is also principal of one private engineering college. Now, Sir is then professor at Mizoram Central University. Efforts is more important. So, with this personality, with the reference of Sachin sir, with the reference of Nagapran sir, even though they are in good position as a principal, he is not saturated. He tried for to place in a government position. So that with his efforts, he placed with Mizoram Central University, serving as a professor. He takes session chair. Is already he is an MPDO, but is not saturated. He is trying to aspirate on the civil service. So you may place with the 3.5 lakhs or 4.5 lakhs. Don't be compromised. Okay. You please keep on trying until reach your expected goal. Thank you.
Few lines about the cyber security lab. See, cyber security lab, which is established in Bombay with the top experts. They are the writers of the cyber security books, and they are running that center with international certification. American Council of Cyber Security and European Council of Cyber Security. With both certifications they were running, but they could not do that. I requested them and they requested me to maybe 1 month. We shifted that center from Bombay to Adi Shankara. They have invested more than 3 crores in the center, in the software and the systems. entire 3 crore systems and center shifted from Bombay to Adasankara only to provide such kind of training for our Adasankara students or maybe neighbor nearby engineering students who can also participate in the kind of coaching or maybe training. So luckily we are actually trying for getting a experts, skillful faculty for cyber security professionals. Luckily today we got madam to join here. She is a cyber security expert and she published a book also on cyber security. And she is going to handle this particular center along with the Bombay professors.
Competitive and merit certifications. Competitive and merit if they get certification,
You can refer these 2 certifications. I think our director will tell you. Competia and Maricraft. You just Google it. If you get the certification, you will be placed gradually in cyber security professional with a pay scale of 10 lakhs per annum. 10 lakhs per month. Not per annum, per month. Such a kind of demand is there. Only thing you need to have good potential training in the domain. So, and yesterday I finalized one more faculty, but they don't join here, but they work as a external guest lecturers. So, getting such kind of faculty for Guru is a very difficult task. Slowly we will request them, we will honor them to come and deliver the lectures. Start enrolling the cyber security training students. Then your career will be different after 6 months or 1 year after completing your training course in the cyber security one. That assurance I can give you. The same way, drone technology, new technology is going to happen. That also I am trying, but we'll see, it will take more time to start this drone technology training center in Adasankara. Okay, so one by one after the other will join in the crown of Adasankara, and which will be a unique courses, unique skill sets will be developed from here. All Adasankara students will be specialized in cyber security and drone technology, which is going to rule in the future. Thank you. I think I request Madam to
Thank you very much, sir. Very good afternoon to all. I am Dr. K. Bhargavi, presently working as HOD at PVKK Institute of Technology, Anantapur. Due to family issues, we are moving to Nellore. So I found this college is the best one in Nellore. And one more, recently sir told that I have published a book in cyber security, and it is a new technology where every student should learn it, and the basics which is required to learn cyber security is only the things which you have studied in your second or third semester, that is computer networks, information security, and if you are good at cryptography, basic topics, then you will be able to learn the cyber security very easily, and it is implemented in Kali Linux. And sir told that we have the equipment in the college. Once I join here, let me visit and let me learn too the practicals, how it is going to be executed, and we will learn together and we will create a bit here. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Now we can proudly say that Chairman sir is a vision thinking personality. Thank you, sir. On behalf of teaching department, we thank Director sir for providing this best platform for faculty to bridge the gap between our knowledge and the new visions that are going, new technologies that are going on. Thank you, sir. Now I request Sachin sir, our chief guest, ex-MPDO, to give a small speech on it.
offered our students sponsored for the students who are interested in going for civil services, coaching, coaching
Respected chairman sir and all other dignitaries and all other people who are sitting here, I am very thankful for inviting me here and giving me an opportunity to talk over here. See, my point here is, sir has a lot of vision. See, to implement anything you need vision, you need resources, you need infrastructure, and you need willpower among students to achieve something. So as an engineer, what I faced was, when I was studying engineering, there were a lot of problems in infrastructure and labs. Today, sir has been providing around 3 crores rupees worth of labs he is getting over here. That means a lot. So, and I think this is a faculty development program. The resource person will be transmitting so much of knowledge to all the faculty, and faculty will be transmitting all the knowledge to the students. So, and apart from that, Sara now has also announced that he will be spending around 25 lakhs for students who are very inquisitive to pursue their career in civil services. That is a very good choice. If somebody out of here tomorrow become an IAS officer, this college name will be very big. So clearly, sir has informed us that he will be spending around 25 lakhs, and he will be taking care of all living expenses also. That is a very big deal for me, because no college, no engineering college, till now I never have heard that the chairman sir, never any engineering college chairman and other people will be sponsoring students, especially to pursue engineering, to pursue civil services. One more thing is, even government is also giving some money for students who are underprivileged to pursue civil services. But sir is giving 25 lakhs, means that's a huge amount. He can easily build around 25 lakhs. Sir, if there is anything regarding that, I will help you.
Yeah, that's okay. Actually, I gave an appeal to them long back, almost 3 months back. Nobody came forward that I am interested in that. Actually, I sponsored our student, one student, alumni.
Okay.
He completed one time prelims, then second time
Nice.
now he is trying.
But civil service is a
Very
very
easy student, super senior, Praveen.
But civil service is a very tedious task. You need to put a lot of blood, hard work, and
Instead of
everything.
studying MTech, you join for civil services in a coaching, you will definitely clear it.
Even Andhra Pradesh government is also giving 20,000 rupees for living expenditure and coaching fee of around 50,000 for underprivileged students. But sir is giving 25 lakhs and he wants to sponsor 25 students. So that is very great thing. Please, students, if you have the curiosity to become a civil servant, please use this opportunity. And I also request other faculty to create awareness among students regarding civil services, because engineering students, they just want to go into software. They don't want to pursue career in civil service. But civil service is a very big career. Everything in our society is being built by civil servant, along with politicians. So please use this opportunity. This is a very big opportunity. And I am very thankful for giving me opportunity to speak like this in front of you. And I am very thankful for Chairman sir inviting me here. Thank you.
Thank you, Sachin sir, for providing a platform for IAS and civil services. It is a dream for everyone. So we are very thankful to Chairman sir. Now it is the time to felicitate our resource person, our today's resource person, Dr. T.V. Nagarajuri sir. Thank you sir for giving this faculty development program and giving a lot of information on this biomedical image processing.